In this video, I will show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. And once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner and hover over your name here, what that's going to do is bring up this menu. Now on this menu, you want to come down to this section here called your account, and you're going to see an option called your account. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to click onto the gift cards and top up option just over here. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this. You can actually view your gift card history on here as well, but all you want to do is click the button here which says redeem a gift card, which is underneath your gift card balance. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can enter your claim code into the box here. So if you have a physical gift card, generally it's going to be a panel you have to scratch off on the back of the card where you're going to find your code, or it could even be on a receipt. So if it's like a digital gift card, sometimes when you get an email receipt, it's going to have the code for you there. But there is a link underneath which if you hover over there, it's going to tell you how to find your claim code. What you want to do is enter that into here without the dashes, and once you've done that, click the yellow apply to your balance button. Once you've done that, you should see your gift card balance update with the value of the gift card, and that is how to redeem a Amazon gift card. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.